Hello everyone, Lego Schwen here, back with another video. Today we're doing yet again another mystery minifigure parts unboxing, I guess. I bought these a while back and obviously I've forgotten what on earth I've bought. All I know is that they're going to be used for upcoming customs, so let's take a look at these very few packages this time. So we've only got 4 packages this time, so not too many. I suppose we'll start with the smallest one. Really can't remember what I bought, but I know I got them all from eBay, so yep, I remember what's inside now. I bought this, I think it was Doc Brown's, a hairpiece. Cannot remember how much it was, but it was very cheap, and I'm going to use this for a first Doctor Who custom, so there you go. Second package here. Okay, I'm terribly opening this. Okay, so it is just a black bow tie piece. Nothing exciting. I know, I'm pretty sure I'm using this for first or second Doctor, so yeah. Now onto the third package. I had to cut it because I really couldn't get through it. And it is a generic red scarf. For some reason I didn't have one of these already in my inventory, but this is going to be used for the custom 4th Doctor that I'm working on. So again, to save time, I actually already cut the package. Obviously you haven't seen what's inside. I cannot remember who this head is from for some reason, so if you guys can remember in the comments, please help me out, because I can't remember who this is from, but I know this old man face is going to work well for one of the Doctors at least. The grey hairpiece, it just came with it. That could be useful for customs in the future, but yeah. So that's the end of this Lego Schwen unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously we didn't get too many exciting pieces, but they're going to be used for some upcoming customs, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, check out the Instagram. I'm going to keep waving my minifigure because that's kind of cool. And yeah, make sure to like the video, let me know what your favorite piece was, and I'll see you guys in the next Lego Schwen video. Goodbye.